in today's video.
My first piece of breadfruit. What was Germany like for you?
It's bad story we have about Germany now. What can I remember that?
Or even like one patty.
Patty.
But Sunday, I'm not a patty, no sorry. Oh, it's not nice.
You know ya? Roll it.
We're after. No more. We'll get shot.
Anyways, we have some 2-piece stew today, which is red peas and chickpeas. We have veggie pepper steak, which is gluten. The thickness is protein from soy flour. There's also kawalu, aki stew today, and you can get brown stew chunks actually. Brown stew chunks. So once more, triplets, aki stew, red peas and chickpeas stew. Brown rice what goes with it, brown rice and burger together, and then you have brown cabbage, which is what? Yam, banana, pumpkin, breadfruit. We also have some fried breadfruit.
Oh, fried breadfruit! What? Can we get breadfruit too?
Really?
That sounds well good. You have porridge? So we want something more light right now.
The porridge is, there is cornmeal, burger, and one last thing. Cornmeal, burger, plantain.
That is the part that I have. Can you try home, man? Yeah, to bring So we got 2 porridge. Get one bigger one and one smaller one. I just get 2 big ones. How much for one?
600 for this one.
Okay. Sarah, call this is your vegan food.
Hello!
Aki stew, 1 piece stew, one all kind of stew.
So what kind of soup on the all?
Not soup.
Soup we have ital soup today. It's mostly peas, vegetables.
I also. Can I get one? Thank you.
I remember to get soup instead of porridge.
You want no soup? No one.
What soup is that?
Can I get my whole of a dumpling?
The soup?
No dumpling, that's all I want to put in the soup.
Mostly peas and yam, Irish and salt.
Alright, can't wait. Try.
So,
Just 1 or 2?
2 porridge. My mom want 1. So where can the people then find you?
Where can we be found? 65 Barney Street. It's right next to Smart People, right?
Alright. Place nice, man. Come and check them out. And we soon give them a food review.
Look for me and
Oh gosh, you'll find us the man. Sarah, find us the man.
Rasta? You can take a picture with that too. We take a picture with the guy.
That's what I'm going to take a picture with the rest of man. Have mercy, you're turning in a mascot.
No, sir, him at the time to someone like I take a picture with you.
Right, 1 big sip,
Huh?
1 big sip you need.
Soup?
Yeah,
This is the big size? Yeah, man, that's not big. This is all the small
You
stuff.
want a small one to sample first?
No, sir, no.
Just a big one.
She is a vegan, you know, she better name everything.
Are you okay?
You know, do look vegan to me.
You know vegan, she
Vegan, vegetarian.
Okay. Still eating healthy, right?
Yeah, man. Fruit.
my first piece of breadfruit.
Oh my God. Oh.
Everything happens for a good alright purpose.
One thing.
Yeah, if you go down earlier, you don't miss that, that chapter.
Perfect.
I think, Sarah, this is it.
How this you and forget.
Oh my God.
And remember that.
Mommy, you're on the job.
Yes, I'm busy now. Oh God, it's so nice, it's nice, it's nice.
Nice.
Guys, my turn to try it now.
Yeah, the France have to come up here something this. You're worried about.
Let's have not have breadfruit too.
1 week, I wait for the breadfruit.
1 week, guys, since we've been here. Not true, 1 week, no. Sunday will come, and a Sunday now. No?
Sunday to Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, first I get this.
Wow, crazy. One in here for you, no?
Huh?
One in here for you.
Thanks.
So no cigarette, just weed.
What do you think about it? Sweet, man. But I think the best breadfruit is always just the one where just don't fry. Not true. It just come out of the fire.
This one now. This one now, when it turns, they are ripe.
No, maybe when it's still warm. But this one not warm anymore, but still nice. So one more story time is in there.
Let's change that.
I have Mitsubishi right when it's like.
Mitsubishi one company.
Yeah, like cars or something.
Now, the power shop this side, right?
So guys, like you saw, we just went and we got little porridge to start out our journey to Portland after this. Yes. So you have any more story times? How about what was Germany like for you back then?
Good man. Can't complain. I have nothing to regret. The only thing I regret when I left from Germany and come back.
Oh God. And I like Jamaica. You know, say you love Jamaica.
Not like that.
What's special about Germany? What you like about it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what you do like about it?
Environment friendly.
Really?
When we go out, remember I don't stay in a house. Every day, go with a gun around zoo. Gone some activity.
Yeah, you're not in the mind the cool.
The cold? No, sir.
He loves the cold.
You only want to buy cool. Really?
Pack up yourself and go on the road.
Hit the road, man.
It's just like when people come down here, they want to hit the road, you know?
They are about those stone now. Although you can use AC, I use Zeta. One time I look for my foot in the house, when I do some job, the amount of powder will come out of my skin, out of my skin.
You know, your skin dry up.
Dry out.
Oh gosh.
That
I remember the first time you did see snow.
That was the first time seeing snow. But yeah,
Never feel snow yet. And they must feel snow. But all of that, no trouble me for if people in it and I live. I go through it.
yeah, people live like that. Normal life.
You can go through too. That man look fun.
The man reach back over here soon. Rest of man.
Then I say making $1 man.
So how him be? How him be?
I stack it. The pan jobs. You can't know them now. That money when we give $100, when we give me buy something long time and that done now. More money now. And food in buy jobs. I know it can't have in the blowing. and then get peace.
So what else happened in Germany where you never experienced out here? How was the plane ride?
I know if I'm going on the plane, we don't know if the plane stop or it still continue. All I know when we reach Frankfurt, I have to get out in the airport. That's all I know.
You do drop asleep?
Drop asleep. I'm get to understand that 13 hours I'm up in the air.
And you just sleep all time, you know?
13 hours I'm asleep. Nothing remember me go on rest room. It's so at home.
Like a bad for travel. You're bad for travel, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God, you know, we on a plane and we come here.
How much time you use the bathroom for come on? You can't go on?
Yeah, man, look on. Travel in after.
Eh? Where me sleep? If I change flight and then something there. Me couldn't tell if me change flight or me not change flight. Not even eat. Nothing. Me pass out. They must all look on the Rasta or the Rasta asleep. Like a little baby. Young baby.
Tell me my Rasta, guys.
You tell them we are Rasta. I'm gonna hear when time with the funny in Germany now. Go Rasta, go Bob Marley, go Bob Marley.
Oh gosh, they you
ask everybody if they're Jamaican, every black person.
Yeah. We don't know if they come from Jamaica, but African me have meet up, you know. English.
Everybody want to know about Jamaican. Nope, you don't find
me.
them.
I will want to find one friend from Jamaica. And we can't talk.
Same here, I can't relate up to this day.
You can't find a Jamaican?
Jamaicans are hard to find in Germany, no? There are a few.
They are very good. They are hard.
A good goal when I find one.
Yeah, man.
Because what really happen?
The breadfruit
Then I must change.
Breadfruit.
I tell you if you had one plate.
And that's it? Yeah, $50 for one.
For one slice of breadfruit,
yes.
$50. What is this now?
We need to go roast and fry with on. So after the just
one slice.
Yeah man, it's just a taste up mouth. Taste up mouth business.
It's in a real breadfruit time. If him come down so and buy one chocolate.
No, it's
coconut.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What thing?
You have money because he could count money if I breadfruit that. I have all the money we make right now.
How much one for breadfruit? Do you have a date here?
No. I'm going to breadfruit.
We must get some breadfruit in Portland. Oh, bread on it.
Get the full one them. They're near for right.
Yeah, and then the man can hold them the breadfruit. They are short breadfruit.
And a yellow heart one here.
So what else about Germany, sir? Remember?
Germany is just good, man. Nothing bad about Germany.
You never say nothing bad, but like any stories where you remember? When somebody asks you how is Germany, what you tell them?
It's nice. It's a really bad story we have about Germany now.
Alright, story comes to come.
Yeah man, that's the piece there. Me want to come home, because when they drop a boom in a trade center in Miami or New York, when they drop a boom in the trade center and kill all the people there.
Where was that?
2011.
Yeah, remember know you're talking.
True.
Yeah man, me fast straight up there now man, because they have an airstrip in Frankfurt where American base where they plane them, they jet them lift up from, and my house where me live in at Dissendorf, not too far from the airstrip. So when the plane then get up, me feel the house a shake But then I built for them house with column and steel, like we in a Jamaica. So your house would have like shake like you want crumble down. And I said, no man. I'm afraid.
I just don't know for nothing there.
Oh,
I don't remember where did they.
I just know.
That's since
Since time.
That's since time. But not airport did there since time.
The village still also have a back. What you name again? But that's since time we spend a lot of time.
But what kind of airport am I talking at the house? No airport, no there.
Yeah, man, I just strip to the way American jet them land and I took off from. I did then when I left from to go down in Galistan, down Pakistan end. Every time they plane them have a land, every time they get up, have a strip. The place are coming like you want crumble down, you can feel all the house, the dust them will come out of the house.
I mean, remember about that?
I sit in the dip on them, then sand dash he wood them with mesh and just paint it like a when they have built up stone wall or black house, blackout house.
Hey, mommy?
You remember that part? Well, that make me get me afraid. And she usually tell me, say, they have about 19 containers where electric plant on the ground. Anyway, plane land in a one of them there. The whole bracket. Anyway, then jump on one of the plane pan that, one of them there. The whole community.
Gone,
wipe out. All the birds were flying in the air, price. Dead off. So when me hear them, there's something on my
you're ready to come back here.
Like cookies me I get for ready. Want to come back home.
But you never get to come back home, you're stuck till the time comes.
Yeah, me have just stuck till the time come. Well, me kind of when I think about Germany again, in them war time, because me I say, I Jamaica with the far war. Yeah.
But like Germany never know if you do that tower thing there.
But at least if plane them all from the Afghanistan, then load up there and go with them Afghanistan. So automatically Germany if war like that, Germany including in the war. Because all American jet are left from there and go down Afghanistan. And God we say in here to Pakistan from this one left from America. No, man, I in a war zone and I'm alive. No.
But that's true, you know, even the other day with the whole Ukraine thing, it was very scary because we are in the middle of all the happenings. Because you hear say Putin, and you hear say America, and you hear say Ukraine, and
all them something.
It's scary. I said, why you at least one time go play for your money put on one side for when they say your papa just run gone. That's why as soon as I hear it you cut. You know wait too long.
And everything in them I want to hear because they don't want to run the
yeah, that's true. They want you candidate as soldiers or what they call. Oh boy.
Everywhere you go.
So what was your favorite German food? Remember that?
I mean, like, it's some rolls, man, like big bread and stuff.
Some what?
Some
big
rolls.
Bread. Like the Brötchen, you mean? The bread, the Brötchen.
Bread. A lot of butter in it, like coconut.
Ah.
Soft and nice. When Gabi go, it like a bread shop. They sell it. They always warm and like butter run out through them, man.
You mean croissant?
Croissant, they call them.
Them kind of flaky?
Flaky?
Yeah.
And more hard. More hard or more flaky?
More soft, yeah.
Like a croissant is shaped like one half a C. Oh, a croissant, yeah.
Does it have butter? Butter croissant?
Nice.
That one is the I
like it.
What else? I used to cook Jamaican food today.
No, I get no. One time, Gabi get one fitting like a chicken. We take up one chicken. When you take a chicken, I don't chicken.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know if a geese or
goose. If a goose or a geese.
Tough. Thank God. Yeah, chicken is so tough, man. I don't see no chicken in Jamaica with tough.
So you're trying the chicken and it wasn't chicken?
Duck. I mean duck. Mingawi.
Those are my things.
And the burger. Boy. That look like a very nice fish here. 1,000 years, man.
What else you eat or like?
Eat
You like the chocolate and the sausage then?
Yeah. And you have one cheese, one rusty cheese. I like it. Run still doing it.
It smells funny, but you love it.
Yes. Anything we can get a lot of energy or protein from. I don't mind.
You remember currywurst that I like the sausage where them put in like ketchup and curry powder and eat it with the protein. You remember that? Or schnitzel. You know making try that, mommy? I remember what do you think name? Doner. You making try doner?
Kebab.
Kebab. I know doner never there since time.
Please stay around and get a chance.
Maybe that never happened. Alright.
When I do that, we make a try rice, man. White rice.
Rice no there Jamaica, what you mean by try?
Well, not down every restaurant that you get rice.
Oh yeah, so you're glad to get little rice. I know how you're feeling. Well, same.
Women don't get no dumpling, no yam.
At least little rice. Yeah man, we know man, it's not so easy with the rice over there at all. Hard to see it. You got Asian
But your body can't hold still.
Yeah, they will pack potato, that's their thing, potatoes.
Which? A mashed potato, you have the usual feeling from.
Mashed potato.
Put it in by powder one and use the milk.
Yeah.
Easy to make.
Yeah. I don't mind. I don't make it soft, nice one. All depends on the meat kind.
Yeah. Those are pretty.
Yeah?
Those are nice.
You remember the way?
Yeah, man. Oh, you make it to the end of my video now, so you can just share and subscribe.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Yeah, man.
What you like about it?
If you have any questions, drop them down below too.
Yes, edified.
Yeah, man. Yes, guys, catch these views. Alright guys, so this is part 1 of the journey. We made it basically to Mobile. So from here now, we're gonna head to Portland after. We're going to pack a little Portland bag. Yes. And then you shall see the rest of the little journey. So peace!
You wanna be in this from?
No, in this. Then run gone.
Yeah, so much of both.
Yeah, she and Charming grew up together. Yeah, she and Charming grew up together. Tough but sweet. Yeah, sorry why I say diabetes. Yeah, now we are now me here. It's so sad me have to just go cut off all the sugar. Sometimes it's not like for you.
You want this?
Leave him.
Sometimes
you just, your eye open. Yeah, but sometimes, you know, we miss up my drink Pepsi. You force me to eat it. What about getting Guys, this is how you eat sugar cane. Chew it up. Mama, daddy og. Daddy og. Drive safe here. The Holy Ghost with you, sir.
Always, always. Holy Ghost with you, always.
Looking forward, yeah? One girl. Those are your turn.
Come now, turn away from me. Come on. I mean nothing. You must be sick or no? Feel sick. I'm working on you. You're not sick now.
Do you want to eat again?
I have finished it.
It is 1 second. 1 second.
Yeah,
Oh, but not today.
No pity there, yeah, man.
Those are my hiding spot.
Right? Yeah, that
A charming age.
This is
a charming group together.
One piece was enough. Take care.